Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's enter the wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got live wallpapers, under it we've got Google Photos, so it is actually your own gallery, and we've got the wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. So let me pick this option, and as I said, here we've got some options from which we can choose. What's more, here we've got my photos, so if you will on this point decide that you actually want to use your own gallery, then just tap on this option. So in order to check the preview of the particular wallpaper, all you have to do is simply tap on it, and as you can see it immediately appears on the full screen. And if you are ready, if you are happy with your choice, just tap on Save Wallpaper in the left upper corner, and here you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let's tap on it, and now we can go back and check. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and it is visible on the lock screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.